Welcome to Mobilize booth. So I'm the director of the business unit in charge of data and new services. And together with Shabnam Khosravi, our product director, we are gonna show you how Mobilize is using data powered by artificial intelligence in order to better serve our clients. For the first time, we announced today our offer to local governments with 3 services. The first one is a smart EV charging places for best decision making to localize charging station. The second one is smart road monitoring to optimize maintenance cost. And last but not least, safety road to reduce accident. Let's start, Shabnam, with Mobilize EV charging places. Electrification is a key concern for local governments. They are asked to implement infrastructure, and for doing so, they need to invest. And the questions become how to best invest. Shabnam, please tell us how Mobilize responds to this question.
For serving local government, Mobilize will propose a very innovative service, which is smart EV charging places, to address exactly such a concern and to guide them for the best implementation strategy of charging points. But why is it so innovative? Because for the first time, we consider EV users' needs and pain points for the first time. How does it work? So this service is based on the data from vehicles that we aggregate. We put artificial intelligence on that with machine learning, and then we superpose with the infrastructure, the existing infrastructure. So based on the analysis of EV driver behaviors and existing infrastructure and a fine analysis of a territory, we will guide them for the best places of charging points.
Thank you, Shabnam. Thank you, Shabnam. So let's talk now about smart road monitoring. If we drill down the facts, and as data team, we like the data and we like the facts, we observe that in France alone, 2,000 kilometers of our roads are seriously damaged. It means cracks, potholes, but also 40% of our speed bumps are not conform. So, what is the issue? The issue is the billions of euros which are spent every year in order to bring up to standard and to maintain our roads. Can you imagine it's 15 billion euros just alone in France in order to do so? So here, Shabnam again, Mobilize as an answer. So can you tell us more?
Yes, the answer of Mobilize, that is smart road monitoring to guide local governments for the optimization of roadworks by prioritization and by prediction of the default of the roads.
I'm sure everyone here would like to understand how it works. So how it works?
So this service is based on the cross-analysis of data from vehicle to detect the defects of the road, and then the image to analyze the defect, and finally artificial intelligence to predict the evolution of the defect over the time. So based on those analyses, we can guide local governments for a better roadwork, optimized roadwork, and also based on the severity of the defects and its evolution over the time.
So what would be the benefits for local governments and the citizens?
Yes, the benefit, of course, for local governments, that is the optimization of the budget of the maintenance. And as Nathalie reminded, that is a huge budget, and that is very attractive for them, a proposal to reduce that. And for you, me, all citizens, that is less noise pollution, that is less CO2 emission, and of course, for all drivers, that is more comfortable roads and safer roads.
Thank you, Shabnam, again. So here, let's stay tuned a little bit on safety. So safety is a major concern, and if we look at the facts again, 30% of the road networks are defective or bad, which means bad signalization, and this is causing many accidents. So bad signals, bad planning of parking is a key issue as well. And here, please, Shabnam, can you tell us what we can do as Mobilize for the safety road?
So for that concern, we propose our great service, which is Safer Road. Safer Road by Mobilize, that is to address exactly this concern of 30% of accidents due to the network and to reduce it significantly for territories. And how we do that and why is it so innovative? Because thanks to data from vehicles, first of all we analyze, and with machine learning we will catch dangerous driver behaviors, and then we will project it on a territory, and we will analyze the territory to see where the network is the root cause of such a dangerous behavior, and we guide local governments to prioritize the improvement of those networks to decrease significantly the dangerous behaviors.
I want to make sure that everyone here and remotely understand what is very innovative here. So please, Shabnam, my last question, what is so innovative with this service?
So first of all, the point which is very innovative is that our service is predictive and not curative. Talking about saving human lives, that is very important to be predictive, okay? And then for territories, for local governments, just after the roadworks, they can easily, with our service, check if the program has, in fact, a good impact on driver behaviors. No need for specific fleets during several months to check it. We can do it easily. And of course, this approach, local governments find it very meaningful and innovative.
So thank you again, Shabnam, to have driven all this audience in discovering our 3 services. So 3 services you have understood: smart EV charging places, smart road monitoring, safety road. You will have understood at Mobilize we have the better use of data in order to get the value of it and to propose to local governments a change, to have the cities smarter, greener, safer, and to put the citizen at the heart of the territories. I thank you for your attention.
Thank you.
And Shabnam and myself are available now. Would you have any questions? Thank you very much.